Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, fled the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rbrevil and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so that you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that was sent to me from Ft.Divatress.com. It is the Inna wig and it is by Sensational. So here's the stock card. I have her in the color 2. Let me show you guys what we're working with. What's interesting is I actually tried this unit like almost 2 years ago. This was way before I even got into wearing wigs and stuff. So now that I'm just a little bit better at fixing and adjusting my units, I decided to go ahead and do a review on this hair. It does come in different colors. So here's the back of the stock card. It comes in like a pinkish purple color. It comes in a blonde, 613, burgundy. So there are many different colors, as you guys can see from the back of the stock card. Here she is. Now this actually, now that I'm seeing this, it does not have any type of clips. So no clips on the sides, no clips in the back. It does look big head friendly, so we'll see how this fits. I forgot how this fits. And there's not much lace. This is all the lace that you get right here in the very front. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that off. This should be interesting. And that was it. So you don't have to put much thought into this once you cut the lace. There's really not much thought process that you have to put into it at all. But here is the parting space. That is how much parting space you do get with the unit. I am going to apply some makeup to that parting space. Up here does look a little thick. So in order for it to not look so wiggy, I think I'm just going to apply some mousse. Here is what it's looking like. It's kind of like a light body wave a little bit, not around the whole unit. And then you have like your flipped curls in the front. So we're just gonna go ahead and put her on. I already went ahead and brushed out my baby hairs. I'm not gonna create any type of baby hairs with the unit itself. So let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm gonna push it back just a little bit. It does make me nervous, the fact that it does not have any type of clips to secure the unit. I would recommend, if you definitely want some security, to sew on a band to the unit. And you can get those bands from like a craft store or something like that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it out with my paddle brush. This is what we are working with. So this is super cute. And the reason why I like to brush mine out is because I don't want it to look too much like a synthetic unit. Like sometimes when you just leave the curls just how it is, it just looks too, I don't know, too synthetic-ish, as I like to say. So I like to brush them out to make them look a little bit more natural, like I curled it myself, although we know that I could never curl a unit like this myself because I suck at curling anything. So here she is. This is what the front is looking like. It doesn't look too bad up here, so it's not as like bulky as I expected it to be. My puppy is just staring at me all awkward right now, guys. So if you guys hear, that was her. That's her. She's just being really awkward. So it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to apply too much at the top. All right, so I'm gonna take my powder. I don't like to use concealer simply because I feel like it gets too messy for me. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take her off and we're gonna apply the powder that way. That way I can see what I'm doing, because sometimes I truly can't even see what's going on up here, guys. So I'm applying it. All right. And then you could just kind of like, because it gets on the hair, and that's the reason why I like using the powder, because with the concealer it's kind of harder to get the concealer out of the hair. With the powder you can put mousse, whatever it is, to kind of blend it out, or with your hands like I'm doing it right now. I just kind of do it with my hands. So there's the parting. Looks better. We're just gonna go ahead and put it right back on. I know it's a little bit scary how you can just slip it off. It almost makes you feel like somebody can snatch it off your head. I mean, technically they can. Technically they can. So we're gonna push it back just a little bit. So you can kind of see the baby hairs just a little, and then try to pull. The unit does have adjustable straps, so you can always use the adjustable straps if you want a little bit more security. But this is what we're working with. I'm gonna just apply just a little bit of my Nairobi mousse on the top part, not a whole lot. I don't think it needs a whole lot, so just gonna apply a little bit. From what I remember the first time I tried this unit, I thought it was a little bit more bulky, but I guess not. I guess not. So there you have it. Grab my brush again. So it brushes out pretty easy, but towards the ends or like the back, I noticed that I am getting a couple of snags. Not too bad though, where it's like you're about to break the brush in your hair. So it's not that bad, but here it is, guys. This is the final look right here. And you can wear it like behind your ear if you want. I don't know if you can do a side thing if you kind of want. I mean, you could. You definitely could. So all right. I mean, I guess you could wear it as a side part. My nose is sweating, getting hot. So this is how it looks as a side part. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't really like my side parts, but with this one, I don't know. I think I prefer it in the middle, but this is what she looks like on the side. Y'all like it? Let me know. Let me know if you guys like this. I'm gonna put it back in the middle. Yeah, I think it looks better in the middle. Just my opinion. Guys, so this is the final look right here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Just a couple things that I have to say about this unit. This is by far the easiest synthetic unit that I've ever put on ever. Like, it was so quick and easy. I talked to you guys throughout me putting it on. I know it took a few minutes, but that was only because I was just talking about the hair. But I would say this is under 5 minutes for sure. Like if you're in a rush, if you're going to work, like you can wear this into the office, you can wear this on a first date, you can wear this during the summer, to the beach, whatever. I wouldn't recommend getting in the water with it or doing anything like really wild with this hair, simply because it does not have clips to secure it. I would recommend, if you want more security with this unit, to sew on some type of band, and you can get the band at like your craft store like Joann's or something like that. If you want more security with this hair, you can even sew on clips yourself. That is something else you can get at the hair store. You can just buy your own clips and then just sew it on wherever you would like it to be on the unit for more security. Now this hair is definitely beginners friendly, so if you are new at trying on wigs or putting on wigs, this is definitely your to-go wig right here. Like, I just love the curls. Like, it's just so easy. All I did was I just brushed out the hair and I applied makeup to the parting space. That was literally it. And I applied just a little bit of mousse on top. I don't think you really needed much of the mousse anyways, but yeah. So as you guys can see, my baby hair is that I had already brushed out in the beginning there, so it looks just a little natural. I mean, the parting space isn't as natural as I would like it to look, but it definitely works, especially if you are a beginner at putting on wigs. All right, but other than that, it was super easy, super quick, and this is really affordable. This hair retails at about like $20, you guys. $20. That is it. So it is not bad at all. Again, this hair was sent to me from Ft.Divatress.com, but it is definitely a must-have in your wig collection. Like I said, you can wear this to work. I mean, I just love it. I just love it. And you can totally wear it off to the side if you want to. With this unit, I like it as far as being in the part in the middle. I just think it looks cuter that way with the parting and everything. So if it had more lace involved, I would say I would like it on the side, but with the parting and how it looks, I just think it looks better in the middle. So yeah. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about this hair. Definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.